Hi, this is Craig with Authentic Battle Damage. Today we're going to talk about moving these methods into classes. And I already kind of stubbed them out. I got a model, main model, view, and then we have our main class, which is going to be like our controller. So the first thing that I feel like we can do is we can move the get input and display board into the view. And we don't have to make them static because we're going to be instantiating these classes. And okay. And then we're going to split this one up in between the model and the view. Check for win state. This can go in the model. And we'll get rid of this static. One of these times this should like give us an error. Yeah, there we go. There we go. All right, so we're going to go main model equals new main model. Main view equals new main view. And then here we'll do model dot. Oops. I mean view dot display board, and then we'll make this public, and we'll make this a little bit or public. Either one, I guess, is fine. All right, and then get input is going to be the view. Check for win state is going to be the model. And we'll want to make this public. Good. Check for errors. Let's put this in the model for now. Public. Switch players. That will also go in the model. And we're going to have to make that also public. And then down here we will do the model. Check for errors will be the model. And then draw check. Yeah. This will also be in the model. And we can go public. And then there's a problem down here, which is the model. All right, so what I'd like to do is when we do display board, rather than sending in boards, I'd like to put all the boards, I'd like to put all of this stuff in the model. So this is all going to go here. And oh, wait. Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay. Yeah, so we'll do a class, or sorry, public main model. And let's just do this quick. And then we'll grab this and put that in there. This will go over here. This will be our boards. We'll make this public for now. Excuse me. And we'll make this public for now. And then we should be getting some errors down here. Yep. And then for display board, I'd kind of like just to throw in the model. So a display board down here, rather than taking in a dictionary, we'll take a main model. And then here we'll do model dot boards. All right, and then check for error. We actually don't need the boards to be passed in. So we can just do, let's see, player turn. Oh yeah, I want to take the player turn. I also want to put that in here. And let's just make this public for now. So let's just correct some of these errors. We can just, for switch players, we don't even need to pass any of this stuff in. We don't need to do any of this, but we're going to fix that in just a second. And let's just make this stuff work for now. And then we can correct it. So draw check, which is right there in the model. So we don't need to pass this in. We can get rid of that. And then we're good to go. And then we can get rid of this. And let's just test this at this point to see where we're at. See if we have any big errors. Doesn't look like it. C3. Okay. Yeah, I think that looks good so far. All right. Yeah, so now we're going to just correct. Just going to get some of this looking better. So check for error. We don't need player turn. We don't need boards. And then answer. Let's see, answer. Yeah, we'll pass an answer and spot taken error. Yep, we don't need that either. So we just need answer. So we'll get rid of this. Spot taken error. Yeah, we really don't need this anymore. Because that's that would be right here. And then we can get rid of this and this. All right. Check for wind state. Right here. We don't need the rows. We don't need the board. We don't need the player turn. Player one. Player one, we'll leave that for now. The left-right win and the right-left win, we'll leave that for now. So we can just go all the way over here. Let's see what this says. Inlined. Oops. Oh yeah. Add argument name. Well, that's not that important at this point. So, okay. All right. All right, so we got the main model, and we have so rows is not being accessed out here anymore. So that means that we should be able to make this private. And yeah, see this is yeah, that's very interesting. Display board model. Yep. I feel like there's something that we can do there to make it better. All right. So this is a little bit better. And we're going to continue with making our changes. I'm going to want to put these into their own files to, really kind of clean this up and make it look better. But yeah, we have more cleaning up to do and getting these into classes. And then after that, I'm going to use I'm going to use the bits to represent the different locations, and it'll make a very easy way for us to check for wind states. And I love using bit manipulation and bits for representing different types of data. It makes it very I don't know, I just really enjoy it. And I mean, part of the reason why is because you can store data in very small amounts. I mean, you don't have to, technically, and I've already proven that you don't have to, because we wrote this whole thing really as inefficiently as we could while it still worked. And so, but these are just ideas for things that you can do. And so anyway, awesome. Later.